also from the fellow our fathers, the three of them, Martha as well, right?
Ni sana practice kan tua sen makta papa ini akan papa somnya akan join dengan isnaden. This is a difficult day, but it's really a happy day. It's a celebration of a life that is so meaningful to so many of us. I thank every one of you chins that have come. If you look around the building, you'll see that it's mostly chins. It's because my mother's so old. All of her friends are dead. They're all up in heaven. And they have waited for her, and they've welcomed her. And she's up there now with my father, Fanny, Mary, Stephen, everybody that's up there. They're all together looking down on us and saying, "Why are you crying? Don't cry." Okay. I want to tell you a little bit about my mother, but I'm going to also talk in Chin because this being live broadcast, there's so many Chins all over the world, not just in Burma, but in America, Australia, Norway, Denmark, Germany, Canada, many places that I'm not even mentioning. I'm in touch with many of them. And I just want to say that we're all together in remembering my mother, a truly great woman, well loved. I'll give a little bit of what I said yesterday to it. I'm also going to talk in Chin for the benefit of our friends in Burma. I'm getting old too, so I also have to wear glasses. My name is Ruth Kristen, but I'm here to celebrate the life of my mother. Instead of time of sadness, I choose to remember her very long and fruitful life. Even so, I remember a lot like the words I was so many. Nature having no knowing, Kato and Sarnak, a sound like rock, I didn't. As a young girl, she was strong, resourceful, and provided stability to her family. She was the second of 4 daughters with a mother whose husband left them in their teenage years. My mother even actually climbed up on top of their house and put a new roof on for her family. And my insum a fanubali si amatu fanupati nakase nak nule telong sitaka and pani and nu and akalina kanuni sebo atwa in zong arab. Musical, a good student, and very pretty. She attracted the attention of many young men, but she chose my father, Robert Johnson, who already knew at a young age that he wanted to be a minister, a missionary, preferably to a far-off land. So she put away her lipstick and didn't do the Charleston, at least in front of my dad. My dad was very conservative and established himself as head of the household. I sometimes asked her why she didn't speak her mind more. She said, "It's okay. He might be the head, but I'm the neck." And she also suffered from a stiff neck. Asinayin kanuni kapara conservative like it's not the conservative like this is really nan hati ko le kan insuna ama adubika atwa zungsangka kanuni napatu kanuni napatu insuna lu asika natin kay matu akong kasita aditon akong zong afak Imagine being a small-town Southern Illinois woman, leaving her family and country with a small baby to move to parts unknown right after World War II. They ended up in a remote and primitive part of Burma called the Chin Hills. They lived there for 20 years as American Baptist missionaries, raised 3 children, and buried a 4th. Their years in Burma were filled with their best memories. Friendships with the Chins have lasted throughout the years, and in her last years, she still understood the language and got a sparkle in her eyes when she spoke in Chin. When I spoke to her in Chin. Illinois kwa pete nkoigada kangalai hatlawin fatyang tegeza pagal makan lai tanga ang lai tanga kul an Fakali amina in Peter to Bortin Atiti, Laitang Pidima and Hui, Laitang Naktan to an Naktana Atumbi Nisi, Laini Hoikom Naktu a Sumbiko. A tea hat is on a can, like a Inkotika a Palkoi, a Mitzongin the take a cake of Yakapa, and it didn't come. My mother loved children. In Pennsylvania, she picked a house by a school so she could hear the children at their playtime. When they moved to California in 1988 to be closer to me, she enjoyed entertaining the neighborhood children with cookies, stories, craft projects, and pretend play. Always the school teacher, she incorporated play with learning, and it was a special joy for her to have our daughter Alana in their lives. Benutu Natia Adutupna, like Laksise America Sise Natia to Asumbikin Vietnam. Bentuta Sise Zatia Naksise, Tilchit Naksise, Pantak Sway Naksise, they all in like Laksise America Sise Adel Sunsani Se. Kiam nakle lulok naklungin atwa sunsaka. Kafanu alana here no nakatampi amay. I want to thank all of the people that have touched my life through my mother. You are too many to name, and she will be in our lives and hearts forever. Kanu chung in mi vyote kapat ni le kadot ni taka za kalum alom tuko. Kanu chung kat lunga tam suksa